Hey folks, this is Clay from the Clay Way. This is a montage of the openers for a new video I'm about to put out here in a couple weeks called Guitar String Rust Repair, where we take guitar strings and we repair the cab corner of this Dodge truck behind me. So what I need you to do is in the comments below what opener we should actually use for the video, because I think it turned out great. It's still in editing, so it's going to be a couple weeks. Share this video so we can get other folks to let us know what we should use, because I do some pretty goofy stuff.
Hey y'all, how you doing? You guys ready for some guitar rust repair? Well, we're gonna do that here on the Clayway today.
YouTube, are you ready for the first ever guitar string rust repair? We're gonna do that here on this cab corner of this truck, and it's gonna be fabulous. Come on. Hey, you guys ready for the first ever guitar string rust repair? That's what's going on right here today.
Are you ready to rock?
No, we're not doing that today. We're actually doing guitar string rust repair. This is the world's first ever. Well, hello there. This is Clay from the Clay Way. This is the first ever guitar string rust repair video brought to you today by the Super Clayway.
Are you ready to rock?
Well, we ain't gonna do that with this here acoustical style guitar, but what we are gonna do is we're gonna take these here guitar strings and we're gonna fix some rust down here on this truck. Hey party people, this is Clay with Clayway. Today we're gonna do the first ever guitar string rust repair on the cab corner of this here Dodge. Howdy folks. We're gonna lay down some guitar string rust repair right here on this here cab corner of this truck that you can't see in this video because I haven't painted it yet. But it did turn out pretty darn good. Oh, are you ready for some guitar string rust repair here on the Clayway today? Well, we got this here cab corner on this pick-em-up truck back here behind us that need some rustification reparifications. We're going to take these here guitar strings off of this guitar here, and we're going to put them inside there and show you the first ever guitar rust repair.